Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, Kenny. Good morning, Kennedy. Good morning, Ben. Good morning, Ben. Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Kevin. Y'all know what month it is? See, it's the last month of the year, and it's called December. Great job.
Good morning, Aiden. Good morning, Jace.
Good morning to our virtual kids, Aiden, Jace, and Corbin. So, and Kevin, yeah. Hope all is well. Let's get started. The month is what, guys? December. December the what? The first. So you're going to circle your one or you're going to write your one, right? The year is, what's the year? 2020. Number one is an odd number because you can't put anything but one. So remember, in our calendar, we also use our math. So you'll go to your third page and you'll write your I by Tracy. Y'all got that? I. Good. Here. The tree. 1. 2020.
So y'all at home should be tracing your eye on the back page.
So hot.
Wait.
And 98 degrees.
No.
Let's bring rubber.
So sorry, important interruption, staff members. Ms. Lozano will be coming around to pre-K.
Let's go. Sorry for the interruption. Our principal came on. Let's go to the next slide. What is the weather? Is it storming? Is it raining outside?
What's the weather outside?
Is it sunny? Is it foggy? Is it windy? Or is it partly sunny? What is it? Which one is it, guys? Is it sunny?
Sunny. Sunny. Sunny.
And it is fall, right?
I finished my calendar.
Sunny. Circle your sunny.
Number
Circle your fall.
1.
Circle your sun. Circle your sun. Then circle sun.
What's the temperature?
Cool. Cool.
Is it cool or is it cold?
Cool.
It was cool this morning. It wasn't cold.
I'm hot.
Okay, you're hot. Have a seat. So some people say cool. I don't know. Actually, when I left this morning, it was rather cold.
Hot.
So now the temperature has gone up a little. So I guess we could put it at cool. So you should be circling cool on yours. C-O-O-L. Cool. 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 Let's go. Cool.
What?
Cool. Circle. Cool.
Kyrie, what would you wear to school today? What would you wear? Pants? Shirt? Kenneth, what would you wear to school today? Kennedy, what would you wear to school today?
Sorry.
What would you wear to school today, Kennedy? Huh? I can't hear you.
What would you wear? What would you wear? Pants.
Kennedy said pants. Daniel, what would you wear?
Jacket.
Autumn, what would you wear?
Shorts. Shorts.
Sweater. Okay. Sweater.
Okay, so our classmates said we're gonna wear a shirt, we're gonna put a jacket on, or we're gonna put a sweater on, and we're gonna wear pants. At home, y'all should be circling that, okay? What was yesterday, guys? Was yesterday Monday?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna circle Monday. Alrighty, Monday. Remember, our Monday is capitalized, right? Today is what, guys? What is today?
What's today, Kennedy?
What is today, Daniel? What's today? Tuesday. Thank you. Thank you. What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
Wednesday.
Hump, 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 hump. Wednesday. Y'all circled it? How many days kindergarten's been in school? 63 days. First through fourth, how many days we been in school? 69 days. Next slide. How many classmates we have?
12.
12. 1 and a
How
2.
many classmates do we have?
12.
Okay, come have a seat at the seat.
And we did the I.
Pay attention.
And guess what? It's a new month. So with our base 10s, we only gonna do 1.
Say in one, Kennedy. Say in one.
And that concludes our calendar. Today is our I Ready Day. So go ahead and do your I Ready at home, guys. And our classmates here are going to do I Ready. Talk to y'all later. Have an awesome, awesome Tuesday. Bye-bye.